Hey artsy friends, I have something special for you today. It's a free lesson for my recently published class, Whimsical Faces 5 Minutes of Faces. Now I'm building out my own classroom in my website and I wanted to share that with you. So I have a special code for $9.99 to get you in the door of that class. It's a self-paced course that's online. You have lifetime access to the videos. There are 20 lessons where we'll be exploring with unusual mediums and fun stuff to get a page filled with faces in only 5 minutes. So use that code to get that for $9.99. And in the meantime, I have a sample lesson from the class for you. Okay, so this is my muted violet acrylic ink. I will restart my timer. Maybe I learned something from the first one. I don't know. Maybe I didn't. We'll just see what happens. Maybe I'll just try and do one. Oh, wait. My timer's not supposed to start yet. I'm just sharing my thoughts. I'm like, well, maybe I should just do one face. I'm not sure, actually. And actually, I don't even want to think that much. So I'm thinking too much. Oh, what do I want to do? No, I want to draw faces for 5 minutes in an unusual and expressive way. I think I'll try, again, I'm thinking too much probably. Maybe I'll try and do my lips a little bit different or something. I don't know. Let's just see what happens, okay? So I will start and I will. So I noticed when it started, it had a lot of ink already, so. Now I'm just drawing and not really thinking, and I did the lips the same way as I've been doing without really thinking about it. Do some hair. Ooh, that's fun. Some swirly moving marks. A chin. Some shadow on the neck. Ooh, I love this. I don't know that I love that, but I really don't have much control over how much ink comes out. I can tilt it and that makes a difference, and I can tell that it makes a difference, but other than that, I can't. So swirliness. Oh, I love that swirliness. My hair could be like way out here. So you can be really expressive with that and put your jawline in. There we go. And a neck. A shoulder maybe. Look at that. I love her. Oh my goodness. She is awesomeness. Maybe not that, but let me do some splatters because I loved that. Oh, you can also do like drops. But look, I'm already out of ink. Okay, so drop. Well, that's fun. And that's different from splattering. Okay. So I still ended up making my lip the same way. Let me try starting with the lip this time. And instead of leaving that bottom lip open completely, I'll do like a little scribble there. I still have to do this. I must. I'm sorry, I'm compelled. And then nose. I don't often start with the lips, but there's the nose and the lips. There's a chin here. Very scribbly, right? This nose goes like that, and we have an eyebrow. And we have an eye. The shapes of your eyes can vary. You know, people's eyes don't all look the same. Definitely different nationalities and races have different eyes, right? Just things to keep in mind. Let's put in a forehead. And some hair. Now I've really slowed down and I'm really enjoying doing this. Whereas before I felt like I was rushing a lot. Now I'm like, okay, I'll slow down, I'll do this thing. And I like it. It's really interesting. I feel like it's very compelling. Like, it's really, really fun. Okay, I have 1 minute left and I'm not sure, so I'll just try making a small face. Maybe you can't even tell. So I have very little ink in there, so again, it's making a difference. And some hair. Okay. And I can even sign it. That's fun. It's fun making these swirly marks, and I really like how it makes the hair look. That's a lot of fun. All right, I'm going to pause my timer now. So 4 minutes and 30 seconds, a little different. I like how that has like a little star-shaped light there. Again, I tried to leave some lights in the eyes, but it doesn't always work out, and that's okay. Yeah, so look, these are pretty. That was a lot of fun too. I really hope that you'll try it. Just try different things and just see what happens. And you may be amazed at the results you get. You may get something that you really love. You may get something that you really hate, okay? Let's be honest. You could get either one, but the main thing you'll get is learning how to be more loose, be expressive, and to get proportions for faces, and accepting your lines and the way you make your marks, because your marks are going to be different from mine. Okay, let's compare these two and then we'll move on to the next tool. So hop over to my website and learn more about this class. It's a really fun one and I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you in class or the next video, whichever comes first.